Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have a vision when a character shows its elemental icon. Start now by placing that character in your active party. Once done, open the character page to inspect how the vision powers the elemental skill and elemental burst. Make sure to note cooldowns and energy cost. Next, practice pressing elemental skill and holding or tapping the input to observe different charge behaviors. This first step sets how you'll trigger elemental reactions and build energy efficiently during fights. In battle, prioritize using the vision skills to create space and trigger reactions. You'll press elemental skill for immediate effects and save burst for moments when your energy reaches 100. Make sure to chain them with other characters for maximum impact. Once done with basic timing, practice swapping characters mid-combo to apply a secondary element and force reactions such as Vaporize or Electro-Charged. Those increase damage and control. Finally, manage cooldowns so you always have a skill ready for clutch encounters. To finish, optimize how the vision scales. Level talents and ascend the character to improve skill and burst power, and equip artifacts that match your role. Elemental Mastery for reaction builds, ER% for burst uptime, or ATK for straight damage. Once optimized, make sure your team composition applies elements in the right order. If reactions aren't happening, check enemy resistances and your timing. If things go wrong, reduce input lag, rebind controls, and rehearse the exact sequence until it's consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.